In this video, I'll be showing you how to achieve this birthday glam using drugstore affordable makeup. Hey, what's up and welcome to my channel. My name is Padee and I'm so happy you're here. Please subscribe, click that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up, and let's begin. Starting off this tutorial by applying my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Warm Light to my eyelids using my Sonia Kashuk Beauty Sponge to blend it in. This is going to act as my primer and help my eyeshadows stay on all day and enhance the colors of my eyeshadows. The palette I'll be using to complete my birthday glam eye look is the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette, a great dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette. With the Sigma Beauty E40 tapered blending brush, I'm going to apply the warm medium brown transition shade into my crease. I'll be using windshield wiper motions to blend it in just like so. Make sure not to take this shade up too high and really take your time to blend to avoid harsh lines. With the same brush, I'm going to apply this medium dark berry shade to the outer portion of my lid, keeping it close to the lash line and under the transition shade, just like so. Now I'm going to use the Sigma Beauty E25 blending brush to pack on that same shade to intensify the color, and I'm going to blend and diffuse the color upwards. I apologize in advance, but the brushes I'll be using in this video are not drugstore brushes because I wanted to focus on the makeup rather than the brushes that I use. I'm a huge fan of Sigma Beauty brushes as they withstand the test of time, so I've decluttered a lot of my drugstore brushes because they were all falling apart. With the same brush, I'm going to apply this burnt orange shade to the middle of my eyelids and next to the medium dark berry shade, and I'm going to lightly blend so there are no harsh lines. Now with my Sigma Beauty E55 eye shading brush, I'm going to apply this frosted champagne shade to the inner part of my lids and blend upwards. I'm going to take my blending brush and blend my eyeshadow so there are no harsh lines. If you didn't already know, I got soft ombre permanent brows done recently and I have been loving them so much. For this look, I want bold brows. So I'm going to use my Maybelline Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Black Brown to create a bold brow moment. With an angled brush and my Maybelline concealer, I'm going to carve and clean up my brows just like so. Next, I'm going to prep my face by applying the e.l.f. Cosmetics Poreless Putty Primer. This is like an Instagram filter for your face in real life. Then I'm going to apply the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Natural Beige 220, using my Sonia Kashuk Beauty Sponge to blend it in. Next, I'm going to apply my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Warm Light under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, around my mouth area, my chin, and my forehead. I love how this brightens my face and truly covers imperfections. Again, I'm using my Sonia Kashuk Beauty Sponge to blend it in. Now I'm going to apply the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Fair Light under my eyes, on my chin, around the mouth area, to my forehead, and down the bridge of my nose to set my face makeup. Next, I'm going to apply the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer to my cheekbones, forehead, jawline, and nose using my Sigma Beauty F37 Spotlight Duster Brush. With my Fit Me powder and beauty sponge, I'm going to bake the sides of my nose by stamping a generous amount of powder to create an elongated and slimmer nose. I'm also going to apply more powder under my eyes, around my mouth area, and under my cheekbones, and let that bake as well. After a few minutes, I'm going to use a large fluffy brush and blend away the excess powder. Now I'm going to apply the Milani Tea Rose Powder Blush to my cheeks using the Sigma Beauty F37 Spotlight Duster Brush. Also from Milani, I'm going to apply the Day Glow Strobe Light to my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, chin, and forehead using my Sigma Beauty F03 High Cheekbone Highlighter Brush. I feel like a lip color really pulls the look together, and today I'm using the NYX Natural Lip Liner to overline my lips, starting with the bottom of my lips and then the top of my lips. Now I'm going to apply the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Abu Dhabi, just like so. I'm going to finish off my eyes by applying the medium warm brown transition shade, burnt orange shade, and medium dark berry shade to my lower lash line using my E20 short shader brush from Sigma Beauty. Now I'm going to apply the L'Oreal Waterproof Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara to my upper and lower lashes, just like so. Then I'm going to apply my Rimmel Kohl Kajal in the shade Nude to my lower waterline to make my eyes pop and stand out. I'm going back to the Milani Day Glow Strobe Light and using the Sigma Beauty E30 pencil brush to apply it to my inner tear ducts because I love an inner corner highlight. Finishing off this eye look by applying my Allure X Jasmine Brown JB lashes, just like so. Now to complete this final look, I'm going to spray my face with the Milani Make It Last setting spray to set my makeup in place and make sure it stays on all day. And that completes this look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video, and follow me on my other socials. Leave any video requests in the comment section below. I hope to see you in my next video, and as always, have a beautiful, PADEEFUL day. Bye!